Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about socialization, which is a key concept in psychology. To understand what is it means, I think about how the child learns to walk, talk, behave in public, and even understand what they means to be like a boy or a girl. So all of that learning comes through a process called socialization. So it's how we become functioning members of society. So what is socialization? So socialization is not just hanging out with others. It's the deep process where we learn norms, values, behaviors, and language of our culture. So it also teaches us how we can act with the different kind of roles, how to behave as a student or student or friend, or later in life as a worker or parent. So one of the most powerful example is that the case in is the case of I think Daniel, a girl found in near about 2005, who had been severely neglected. So she had never learned to talk, play, and interact with each other. So even though her body could hear and see, she had not developed basic human behaviors. So this showed that without socialization, we don't develop normally. So secondly, how socialization happens. So we learn through interaction with people and institutions. These are called agents of socialization. The main ones are family, who teach us the first words, emotions, and behaviors. Peers, who influence our interest and identity. School and workplaces, where we learn discipline, teamwork, and responsibility. And the media, which teaches us norms, trends, and other gender roles. There's also lifelong socialization. So we don't stop learning from this after childhood. We adapt to new roles like becoming a spouse, parent, or retiree. So this is especially this is especially important when we go through big changes, sometimes called re-socialization. The third one, theories and self development. Sociologists like George Herbert Mead, who explained how we develop a sense of self awareness. So our identity through social interaction. Med also outlined the four stages in childhood. So where the kids learn to take the role of the other, helping them understand social rules and expectation. So we also learn gender roles through a process called schema development. Uh, like how a young wearing a superhero costume is learning to do gender do gender by acting what the how strong figure his body is like. So in short, socialization shapes how we are so who we are, how we think, behave, and even see ourselves. So it's essential not just for individual development, but also for the survival and organization of the society. From the learning to use a spoon to understanding a complex method like social rules, we are always being socialized every day throughout our lives. Thank you. Thank you, Professor.